Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable fast charging in Samsung phones or any other Android phone. So, if you want to check whether your phone supports fast charging or not, you can check it out. So, go to the settings first and then type battery, and you will find charging settings or battery information. So, I'll click on battery first and then scroll down and look for anything which says charging settings. So in my Samsung Galaxy S24, it does have charging settings. So I'll click on that, and there we go. We have the fast charging enabled. So if it's toggled off, just toggle on, and the fast charging will be enabled. You can also check in your phone and see if your phone supports fast charging or not. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.